Hi, today we're going to take a look at how you can fix the broken fridge or freezer cylinder. Is broken. You can see sometimes it may break in different places, and what happens when it's when it is broken, the air can go in here and cause ice to form, and that will cause you to spend more energy, and that can cost you more money in the long run. So it is better if you try to attempt to fix the broken seal on your fridge or freezer with the silicone sealer. Now a good fridge sealing should be something like this. Sometimes they snap off and it have a crack in the middle around here. So what we want to do is allow the sealant to go in the middle and then wait for it to cure. Now what we want to do is make sure that it is nice and clean and dry. So we want to clean it off first on the parts where you want to apply the sealant. So we're going to use the silicone sealant and clean it, give it a good clean, and then wait for it to dry. So once this area is nice, clean and dry, silicone sealant doesn't like wet surface, so make sure it is super dry. And I'm just going to apply the sealant across the cracks. So depending on where the cracks is, just make sure that you apply silicone sealant into the middle of the crack. So I'll apply plenty, and then later we can swash them together and then clean it off. So I'll put some more silicones along the edge here. Now remember, we have to wait for 24 hours for it to dry, to cure. So don't be impatient, start to use your fridge or freezer straight away. So just have it run along the edge like that. So there, after applying for the silicone sealant, just simply wait for it to cure for 24 hours, and the next day you should be all good. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.